Welcome to Flow with Darja and this 20-minute gentle morning yoga flow, where we move through seated and reclined yoga poses, which makes it beginner-friendly and soft, really gentle way to wake up your body and have a best day ahead. So find a comfortable seated position, rest your hands on your knees and close your eyes. Take a deep inhale, fill your body with beautiful fresh air, and exhale side out. One more big inhale and exhale side out. Now begin to find slow circles, moving your upper body in one direction. Moving into available space, waking up your body gently here. Allow your shoulders to relax, your face soft, and gently change directions of your circles now. Bring your body back to neutral position. Plant your feet in front, wider than hip-width distance apart, and allow your knees drop over to your right, gently pressing your left knee into the mat, and then over to your left, right knee to the mat. And keep moving here, moving with your breath. And try to keep your shoulders facing forward. This way you really get into your hips and your obliques. Beautiful. Come to the center and find your tabletop position. Pull your navel in and start to move through some cat-cow stretches. Inhale, arching your back, pulling your shoulder blades together. And exhaling, rounding through your back, shoulder blades move away from each other. And keep moving through these waves and allow your body to move freely here. So maybe adding some circles or shifting back and forward, whatever feels good to you this morning. Moving into available space, waking up your stiff and sore muscles. Maybe tucking your toes under to get that juicy toe stretches. Last round. Good. Now come to your neutral spine. Tuck your toes under. Then send your hips back towards your heels. And start lowering your chest and your forehead down towards the mat, coming into child's pose variation, stretching through your shoulders. And now allow your toes to untuck, sinking the hips down towards your heels. You can keep your knees together or bring them wider apart, stretching through your hips. Inhale deep into your belly. Exhale, relax into the stretch, resting here. Now slowly and softly roll yourself up and come to sit in the middle of the mat with your left leg extended and your right leg bent in. Flex your left toes and root your sits bones down. Inhale, open your chest proud, long spine, Exhale, walk your hands forward, maintaining that beautiful long spine. Keep flexing the left foot, stretching through the back of the leg, left hip, and your spine. Maybe close your eyes and relax into the stretch. Gently lift up and twist over your right shoulder. Right hand comes behind you and left over your right thigh. Inhale, grow tall. Exhale, relax your shoulders down and back. Breathe. Now bend into your right elbow, lowering your upper torso towards the ground, deepening the stretch. Don't hold your breath. Now lift yourself back up. Turn to face forward, extending the right leg for a two-legged forward fold. Move the flesh of the sits bones. Then inhale, reach the arms high. Exhale, fold over your legs, reaching towards your toes. And bend your knees if you can't reach your toes, maintaining that beautiful long spine. Breathe here. And slowly roll up. And let's take it to the other side. So extending the right leg, bend into your left. And flex your foot and find long spine. Inhale. And exhale, walk the hands forward. And gently turn your right knee and your toes slightly outwards, not letting it fall inward. Gently lift up and twist over to the left. And again, deepen your twist by lowering your torso towards the ground. Inhale back up, turn to face forward. And extend the left leg out for a wide-legged stretch. Toes pointed out. Inhale, open to your chest. Exhale, hinge from your hips and fold forward. I'm feeling a beautiful stretch and opening through your inner thighs, your hips, and your spine. Roll up now. Bring the feet together and holding behind your thighs, carefully lower down onto your back. And hug your knees in and slowly sway from side to side, massaging through your low back and your spine. And release the feet down now, with hip width distance apart. Cross your right foot over your left thigh. Open your knee, then hug your left knee in towards your chest. Feeling a beautiful release for your right glute, your right thigh, and your hamstring. Slowly release. And drop your left knee over to the left. Right foot meets the mat. Keep opening through your right knee, stretching through your right outer hip. Breathe. Lift back up. Carefully release. Let's switch sides. So cross your left foot over your right thigh and hug your right knee in. Relax your shoulders. Soften your face. Carefully release and drop the right knee down, left foot meets the mat. Now lift back up. Hug your knees to your chest. And then keeping the right knee in, extend your left leg out straight. Right arm comes to your side for support. And then pull your right knee across your body to the left. One-legged supine twist. And you can look over your right shoulder for a deeper stretch. Gently return to the center, both knees in. Let's switch sides. So right leg extends and twist your left leg over to your right. Maybe looking over your left shoulder for that deeper shoulder stretch. Breathe here. And lift back to the center. Hug your knees in. And then squeeze all your muscles. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And release for a last resting pose, Savasana. Grab a blanket or put on your socks if you like. And when you're ready, extending your arms and your legs out, taking up space with your body. Close your eyes and take one cleansing breath here. Big inhale in through your nose and exhale side out, allowing your entire body to relax. And soften the corners of your mouth. Unclench your jaw. Relax your forehead, corners of your eyes, soften through your neck, your shoulders. Let the arms be heavy, belly soft. Relax your hips, your glutes. Let the legs be heavy. With each breath, feel your body soften. Slowly start bringing movement to your body, moving your toes and your fingers, reaching your arms over your head, taking a big full body stretch. And bend your knees and roll over to one side. When you're ready, press yourself up and find a comfortable cross-legged seat. And keeping your eyes closed, I invite you to take a moment here. Notice how you feel after our practice together. And think of 3 things that you're grateful for today. Whatever comes to your mind. And then take a big inhale in through your nose. Exhale, side out. One more inhale. And side out. Now bring a gentle smile to your face. And let's finish our class as always. Inhale, reach the arms high, palms touch. Exhale, hands to your heart as a sign of gratitude towards yourself and our practice together. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me today. Use this yoga class anytime you need a little morning reset or a gentle full body stretch. And if you enjoyed this class, please be kind to the like and subscribe button. Your support allows me to reach more beautiful souls with healing yoga content. I really appreciate your support. I wish you a beautiful rest of the day. Remember to be kind and remember to take care of yourself.